Hey guys, this is Armando with CreditAdmins. I have an update to the Zapier functionality. I'm going to show you now how to pull data out of CreditAdmins into Zapier and push it off to a third party. Let's go to Zapier.com. We're going to make a brand new app. And we're going to type in CreditAdmins. As you can see, I have a test access and I have a get clients. Test access is only to see if you can reach the API. You're not going to pull any client data out of here. We're going to go with get clients. I'm going to create a new account here to show you the steps that you'd go through. You have to enter your company name and you have to enter your API key. Okay, we're going to go to save and continue. And to get clients out of CreditAdmins, you have to specify again your company name, your API key, and then a parameter. And the parameter is going to be one of these options here. You're either going to type in new leads, new prospects, new clients, new credit builder, all leads, all prospects, or all clients. So I'm going to go with all leads, put this parameter in here, and click on continue. And it pulled in a client here from that data set. And I can see that the data it pulled is a lead called Susie Q. So I'm going to click on continue. And at this point I would add a step. And I'm going to send the data somewhere else. So in this case I'm going to send it off to an email. Save and continue. I'm going to send it to myself. The subject line is going to be the client's full name, and the body is going to say a new lead has come in. The person's name is, and I can say Susie. Continue. And send the test. Sending the test here was successful. I'm going to click on finish. I can name the Zap. And that's how to set up getting clients from CreditAdmins. Try it out and let me know if you have any issues. Thanks guys.